In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make text bold on LinkedIn post. First, I'm open LinkedIn on my PC. If I click on starting a post, now I paste a already generated post. So if I select some things, you can see here are no option for its bold. So what you need to do, so you need to going on Google, then here I type LinkedIn post formation formatter. So you can going fast website, that's one. Now you can write your own post, just paste here, then you can bold fast line bold. And if you want to highlight something, some countries like US, like and Japan, and like Germany, and if you want to doing some word like India, Italy, like Russia, or Canada, Italy. So now just copy, then click on select all, then copy, then again going on your post on LinkedIn, then select all, then delete, then paste your new formation text. So you can see it's already white. Now click on post, then that's it. So this is easy method. So if you found this video helpful for me, make sure like and subscribe the channel so you can take care. Goodbye.